A boy, attention boy, lovely man. Coming the boy, they are full prepared for upcoming Viva. Young guy, tension, her face cold, their journey, full prepared. Working together, lovely guy. Few hours later, our Viva Bhusi exam beginning. All are tension guy. All tension guy. এদিকে ভবেশ সবাইকে হাসাইবি এদিকে মামা ভাই বাবা a lovely man দেখা two great men. They are much more disappointed our upcoming Viva Bhusi. Just working in the path together with great men. My department guy Johnny. Lovely innocent look. In the behind part, this boy working name Toroni Kanto. A lovely boy.
Lovely boy, and
We proud for Toroni.
why are you proud?
He share lots of angel. That is one.
That is one point.
I have 1 point. And another point, he lovely manage everything in our today our festival day in academy. Here my mean colleague 4 friend, they are demand to together adda with coffee, but I not able. I this time promise all my friend I will inshallah treat coffee, highly coffee. All are graduation guy. In future, they are fight any job man.